Innovation is absolutely critical to us as a company, and we need to make sure that we maintain a very full pipeline of products coming to market. We constantly speak to the customer to know really what we need to do, and we have a heavy commitment to just the inherent technology development, that is the building blocks and the platform, silica science and surface chemistry and polymer chemistry that make up the new technologies going forward.
Our customers are our ID generators, and that's why Phenomenex recently developed the core shell technology for LC column like Kinetex.
This is where we actually physically pack our Kinetex columns. The silicas and the medias that are used in manufacturing the product are assembled and put into the metal tubes that we know as columns. After the columns are packed, then they are moved and tested to make sure that our rigid quality control standards are met with every column that we make.
The big benefit for scientists who use HPLC, of course, is to get very good results. A good product that we sell is Kinetex, and this product gives you very good retention time, so very fast analysis. You also need to have reproducibility, of course, of the test, because if you test one medicine and you test it again and you get different results, it's not working. So that's why we offer, of course, our technical support as well. If these things might not happen, we can see where does it come from and how can we solve this problem.
We took the lessons that we learned from Kinetex in developing Eris. Eris is more specifically designed for protein and peptide separations. These would be applications used in biopharmaceutical development and in the biotechnology area.
A major part of Phenomenex technology is actually how we do manufacturing, and that's manufacturing of media. So whether that be silica or polymers, and then how we actually derivatize those silica polymers through process chemistry.
Phenomenex is an ISO 9001-2008 certified company. We're very aggressive in our attitude towards customer service and quality. This does not look like a typical manufacturing environment. It's beautiful, it's well organized, and it's heavily audited for compliance to our quality standards. We have to be known as the best in business. Reliability, robustness, and reproducibility. Quality is not a goal, quality is a requirement when you're in a consumable business like Phenomenex.
Gas chromatography is a mature technique and has been around for a while, and there's not a lot of innovation going on in other companies, but that's where Phenomenex tends to break the rules. We're trying to stick to a newer technology, creating capillary columns. We then coat the inside of that capillary with a very durable stationary phase. It's that stationary phase which provides the separation. This gives much higher efficiencies than traditional packed columns and is much more reproducible from column to column. We have a great product development team which is giving us new products all the time. These products are fit for specific industries and are solutions for those industries. One example is the multi-residue columns for the environmental industry. These are products which are designed for improved separation of pesticides from both food and environmental matrices.
Not only does Phenomenex carry HPLC and GC columns, we also have a wide variety of sample preparation products. One of those products is solid phase extraction, also known as SPE. Raw sample is not fit to inject onto an HPLC or GC. So you use this little tube to clean up a raw sample prior to HPLC or GC analysis.
Phenomenex is, of course, primarily a manufacturer of separation science products, HPLC, GC, and SPE products. But in addition to that, with our Phenomenex group, we can support our product sales by then assisting the customers who develop the methods, of course utilizing our products.
This is a Phenomenex laboratory. In this laboratory, we create specific applications based upon customers' needs. We'll take a customer sample or a customer's requirements and create a separation using our instrumentation, our personnel, and our products to provide that specified separation which the customer needs and wants.
One of the most interesting things about Phenomenex is that every sample is different. We get packages that come by India speed post. It's exciting to know that it doesn't matter where in the world you are, what type of analysis you're doing, our laboratory can be there to support you. This year alone, we've developed analytical solutions to support the Gulf oil spill. We traveled to China and worked with the government there to implement new food safety testing methodologies. We've worked with large and small pharmaceutical companies to improve testing on their current drug products and also help them research new therapeutics that are going to save millions of lives in the future.
One of the things that I think all of us take home with our energy enthusiasm is that the products that we make are part of the bigger picture of making new therapeutic drugs that are going to lead to future cures for some of the biggest diseases that we struggle with today.
So our goal is to help our customers develop the best possible methods using the best possible separation science products.